Please welcome Pace It Jamil to the stage.
SquadUp Summit's literally the second SubTo meetup I've gotten to go to, and it's been a life-changing event.
Be able to see a bunch of my friends I've seen over the last year and a half over Zoom, but actually see them in person. It was so unexpected. The amount of people, the connections have been just tremendous. It's been mind-blowing.
Networking, connecting. I've done 3 deals already just being at SquadUp.
The voice is hoarse from all the networking.
We've laughed, we've cried, we've celebrated, we've stayed up too late. Pace says don't sleep. We didn't sleep, people, but you know, we're still here. We're going strong.
A lot of good speakers at the event, a lot of things to take in and learn, especially someone that's kind of fairly new to wholesaling. I just started last year, so I've learned a lot.
Wow, you should have made it to SquadUp Summit. It was awesome. Met a bunch of people, did a bunch of deals. Woo!
So the biggest thing I've taken away from SquadUp Summit is just what Pace embodies. Bringing value, good morals, good intentions. It attracts a crowd that have good morals, good intentions, good values.
You weren't here, you definitely missed out.
I thought I knew everything, but no, this is a step over to the moon.
Partners, here's your investors, here's your go-givers. Everything's here. You've got to be a part of it.
SquadUp Summit has been incredible. I've networked with so many people, and I have unlimited follow-ups to go be doing.
Is SquadUp Summit worth it?
Heck yeah, we're closing a deal while we're speaking. Ooh, let's go.
SquadUp Summit.
SquadUp Summit.